What if I told you that one day, machines could think just like you and me? Sounds like science fiction, right? But is it? Artificial intelligence has been evolving at a staggering pace, and the lines between human cognition and machine processing are beginning to blur. But what if AI is already thinking like us? And what if we're not prepared for it? In this video, we'll explore whether AI can truly think like us, and what that means for our future. Before we dive into whether AI can think like us, let's take a step back and ask, what exactly is thinking? It's more than just processing data. Thinking involves emotions, intuition, reasoning, and often creativity. For humans, thinking is tied to consciousness, our ability to be aware of our surroundings, ourselves, and the implications of our actions. But can a machine possess these qualities? To understand this, we need to distinguish between two types of thinking: narrow thinking and general thinking. Narrow thinking is when AI excels, handling specific tasks like sorting through massive data sets, playing chess, or identifying images. But general thinking, which encompasses creativity, problem solving in complex scenarios, and understanding human emotions. This is where things get tricky. Can AI replicate this? Artificial intelligence has already demonstrated its ability to perform specific tasks with superhuman efficiency. This is known as narrow AI, artificial intelligence designed to handle a single task or set of tasks. Examples include Siri, Google Assistant, and self-driving cars. Narrow AI can process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on learned algorithms, but it doesn't understand context the way humans do. Consider the rise of AI in industries like healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can now diagnose diseases like cancer from medical images better than human doctors. But while these machines can diagnose, they don't truly understand the human experience of illness. They simply calculate patterns based on existing data. AI excels in speed and precision, but it lacks the emotional intelligence and adaptability that come with human thought. So, if narrow AI can't grasp the bigger picture, can it truly think like us? Now, let's talk about the next frontier in AI development: artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is the holy grail of AI research. AGI is an AI system that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. Imagine a machine that could switch from diagnosing diseases to writing poetry, understanding philosophy, or having a conversation about the latest tech trends with you, all with the same level of understanding, reasoning, and intuition as a human mind. It sounds revolutionary, but is it even possible? Experts in AI have been debating whether AGE is achievable, and if so, when. Some believe that AGI could emerge within the next few decades, while others argue it might never happen. But one thing is clear: if AGI ever becomes a reality, it could radically change the way we live, work, and even think about our place in the universe. One of the most fascinating and perplexing questions about AI is whether machines can experience emotions. For humans, emotions play a central role in decision-making. They influence everything from our relationships to the choices we make in business, art, and politics. AI, on the other hand, doesn't feel emotions in the way humans do. While algorithms can be trained to recognize emotions in human speech or facial expressions, AI doesn't actually experience feelings, but it can simulate emotion through effective computing, using data to mimic emotions in a way that seems real to us. Take, for example, AI systems used in customer service. They can be programmed to recognize when you're frustrated or happy and respond in a way that feels empathetic. But is that real emotion, or just a well-tuned response designed to get the best outcome? AI could one day simulate human-like emotions so convincingly that it might be difficult for us to distinguish between a machine and a person. But the question remains: if I can simulate emotions perfectly, does it really matter if it's real or not? As AI begins to approach human-like thinking, the ethical questions become even more complex. If ASI can think like us, should it have rights? Can we treat an AI like a tool, or would it deserve some form of moral consideration? Should AI have the right to make its own decisions, or should we keep it under strict control? One of the most pressing ethical issues is whether AI can be trusted with decision-making power. Imagine an AI being used to make life-altering decisions in fields like healthcare, criminal justice, or even warfare. How much control should we give a machine that has the potential to think like a human, but without the same moral compass or understanding of consequences? One of the traits that separates us from machines is creativity. Humans have the ability to create art, music, literature, and innovative ideas that are deeply emotional and uniquely human. But can AI ever truly be creative? Artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides in generating art, music, and even poetry. But can it understand the meaning behind its creations? Can it feel the emotions that inspire creativity? Or is AI just mimicking human creativity through algorithms and patterns? While AI can certainly create, it remains unclear whether it can ever capture the true essence of human creativity, the intangible spark that drives innovation and artistic expression. As AI continues to develop, one of the key questions is whether machines can be trusted with ethical decision-making. Can we rely on AI to make moral choices, or does it need human oversight? AI's decision-making is based on the data it's given, but the data itself can be biased or flawed. This raises important concerns, especially when it comes to decisions about human rights, justice, and morality. To truly trust AI with ethical decisions, we need to ensure that the machines we build are designed to make ethical choices that align with human values. But can we ever truly be sure that AI will make the right choice when lives are at stake? AI is increasingly being integrated into warfare, and with it comes the terrifying possibility of autonomous weapons. It lacks the deep emotional connection that makes human-created art resonate. Can AI truly replicate the human experience of creativity? Or will it always fall short of capturing the nuances that make art meaningful? Artificial intelligence has opened new possibilities for collaboration between humans and machines in the arts. But the question remains, can a AI ever be considered a true creator? Or will it always be a tool for human expression? What happens if AI does achieve human-like thinking? While the possibilities are exciting, they come with immense risks. One major concern is that AI could surpass human intelligence in a process called the singularity, a point at which machines become so advanced that they could begin improving themselves at an exponential rate. At this point, AI could potentially become uncontrollable, making decisions that are beyond our understanding or influence. Imagine AI systems creating laws, shaping policies, or even controlling critical infrastructure without human oversight. Another danger is the misuse of AI. If AI thinking were to be used maliciously, whether by authoritarian regimes, rogue actors, or even companies seeking profit, it could have devastating consequences. Imagine AI systems manipulating public opinion, hacking financial systems, or even deploying autonomous weapons. So, can AI think like us? In some ways, yes. But in others, it's still a long way from true human cognition. AI is becoming more sophisticated, more capable, and more integrated into our daily lives. But as it evolves, we must remain cautious about its potential risks and ethical implications. If you found this video thought-provoking, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the conversation in the comments below. Do you think AI will ever think like us, or will it always be fundamentally different? Let us know your thoughts. As we've explored today, the question of whether AI can think like us is not just a simple matter of comparing computers to human minds. It's about understanding how far technology has come and what it could mean for the future. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, from how we work, create, and live, to how we make decisions, solve problems, and interact with each other. But with this power comes responsibility. We're standing at the edge of a new era, one where AI could be more than just a tool. It could become a partner, a co-creator, and even an autonomous thinker. The big question is, will it be a revolution or a threat? Whether it's solving the world's most complex problems or pushing the boundaries of creativity, AI's role in our future is undeniable, but it's up to us to guide its development, ensuring that it serves humanity rather than replacing it. The road ahead is uncertain, but the choices we make today will shape the future of artificial intelligence and its place in our world. Thank you for watching, and remember, AI is evolving, but so are we. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on everything AI. We want to hear your thoughts. Can AI ever truly think like us, or is it destined to remain a tool? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.